Best Chrome extension for MS Office. 1. Office Online Office Work for XLS, DOC and PPT. Create and edit DOC, XLS and PPT files with an Office Suite Online. Office Work is an Office Online suite that provides a document editor, a presentation editor and spreadsheet editor where you can perform editing operations like in any desktop editor over documents, Excel spreadsheets and PowerPoint slides using the formats DocX, DOC, XLSX, XLS, PPTX, CSV, ODT, or HTML files. Its main features are: create a new document or open an existing one. Create a new presentation or open an existing one. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. 2. Office. View, edit, and create Office documents in your browser. It uses familiar formatting and layout options to express your ideas in full fidelity. 3. Open with Office. Easily open desired links in Microsoft Office. It open your documents using Microsoft Word. If you want to open documents using your favorite desktop document editor, you can do so now after you install our software extension. To begin using our software extension to open documents using Office Word, here are the steps you need to do. Ensure you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Install our software extension Open in Office. Once you install our software, please refresh all your existing Chrome tabs / close Chrome browser and restart Chrome browser. Choose the document link you wish to open with via the right-click context menu button. You should be able to see our extension option after you install our software and restarted the Chrome browser. In the same way, you can also open Excel sheet and PowerPoint file also. 4. Office, enable copy and paste. Cut, copy, and paste from the right-click menu and ribbon in Office on the web. Installing this free extension enables you to cut, copy, and paste via right-click menus and the ribbon toolbar when using Office on the web. 5. Office editing for docs, sheets and slides. View and edit Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. You can view and edit Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files without needing Office installed on your computer. Once this extension is installed, Office files that you drag into Chrome, open in Gmail, Google Drive, and more, will be opened in Docs, Sheets, and Slides for viewing and editing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more information.